Hello, you want to see how I make this rice? Watch this video so you don't miss out. I added my palm oil, crushed onion and crayfish, scotch bonnet, my meat spices, rosemary, seasoning, salt. I added my tomato plump. I'll cover and cook it for some time. I added my rice. I will mix together thoroughly. I added my stock fish that I soaked overnight. Added my dried fish. I'll cover and cook it for 10 minutes on a low heat. So yes, after 10 minutes, I gave it a good stir. I added my mackerel fish, my turkey. I covered and I noticed that this pot was not big enough, so I have to change my pot. So I'm giving it a good mix. After it has steamed for 20 minutes, I will add in my onion, red bell pepper, and my spinach. I added in my boiled egg, and I will give it a good mix. For those of you always returning to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification, and be a member of the family. Feel free to check all of my videos out. If you are to tag it, what will you call it?